So guys, Bitcoin is moving around at 32,488, and if anyone has remember the yesterday's voice chat, I have told exact area where we can see a bounce. Exactly, we are moving in the triangle. If we are moving in this triangle, then we can see a bounce, or if we are not moving in this triangle, then we can see again a dip that can lead to the 29,000 to $28,000 will be a support area for the Bitcoin, the next support area. And let me draw it the lines, and will be showing the charts, all the things. And guys, 69 members are there, so one lucky person will be selected in the voice chat anytime. Will be giving $10 Tron to that user. So if anyone is just keep listening the voice chat, don't miss it, and listen all the voice chat. I don't know when I will be giving that the giveaway, so just keep on uh, listening the voice chat. It can be guys Tron, or it can be a Wink, or it can be a BTT. So I guess if we are airdropping the BTT or Wink, the Tron wallet you have to give, so TRC20 wallet. So keep ready, your keep TRC20 wallet will be given to hand. So right now 70 participants, and let's start. So guys, Bitcoin is moving around at 32,500, and it is moving in inside a triangle, and the support for the triangle is exactly according to the previous. I have told in the voice chart that was around at 31,800, and exactly from that level only we have seen a bounce, and it is a small bounce. We have not confirmed seen that it will be a well, from this area we can see a bump, but the next 2 to 3 candles will be giving a signal that this was a bounce, and we will see that this was a uh, temporary bounce or a fake bounce. So we will be getting this in the upcoming hours. That is, if you see on the 4 hour time frame, you will be getting all the information. And guys, if we see the support levels, if this support level, that is 31,800 dollar, if this support is breakdown, then we can go to the next support, that is around at 29,200 to 300 we can see the Bitcoin. But the triangle will be breakdown, and they will go to the support levels, that is 29,300 to 200 we can see the Bitcoin. And guys, the lines that we have seen in the past of the in the 4 hours that we were talking about, the golden cross, the line is trying to become a death cross in the 4 hour time frame. But guys, I don't think the lines will be moving that much easily. We can see a straight line, lining of the these two lines. These lines can be straightened, and these lines can show that the Bitcoin can become stable for few hours, or for 2 to 3 days. That is showing that we will be seeing a bounce that can lead to the targets. Just keep noting the target that I am telling you is the Bitcoin. If we are seeing the bounce, if we are moving in this triangle, then we will see a bounce towards 37,000 to $38,000, exactly on the 200 MA lines. Or if we are crossing that lines, then it would be around at on the line of 50-day moving average. And guys, if you remember yesterday, if anyone was in the Clubhouse voice chat, I have told when our voice chat was about to close, then I have told that these lines exactly I have told that the Bitcoin will be dumping from 36,000 to 36,500. If anyone has shorted, then I guess he has earned a good amount. I have told to keep eye on the way of lines that are moving, that is MA lines, the track these lines, how they are moving, how they are crossing each other, how they are showing the straight patterns, and how they are going into the hook design. Track all the lines, track the patterns of these lines. And guys, if we see on the Binance chart, you can see if you are missing, or if you are getting any connection error in the voice chat, then you can check this video in the future on the YouTube. This will be uploaded soon, so you can check this video later on. And guys, if we see according to the yesterday, when I have told that the Bitcoin will be dumping from $36,000, why I have told is that because if we see according to the chart of on that is given on the Binance, that is the official lines that Binance provide. If we see according to the that is 25 MA line, red line that we see, it is 20 line. Let me see which line is 25. Yeah, that is the red line is 99 MA. 99 MA was telling that the Bitcoin will be touching around at 36,000 100 or 36,500. It will be touching, and I have given on that basis only, that from that area it will be about to touch that line, and from there, after touching that line, it will be again, we will be seeing a dump. So if we see according to the yesterday's pattern, if we see it, it is approximately 9% to 10% we have seen a dump. And if anyone has if anyone have used 5x to 10x leverage, then he has already got more than 50% profit in the Bitcoin trade only. And I don't know how much profit the altcoins have given if you have shorted at that time when the Bitcoin was around at $36,000. So if anyone has shorted, then guys, congratulations, you have earned a huge amount in the bear market. Right now the bear market is not come, but in the dump market of the cryptocurrency. So let's see what coins we can buy. We can see yesterday I have told that on the Dogecoin also given update that you have to keep eye on the 0.2322 level, 0.22 level, to grab the Dogecoin. And right now guys, Dogecoin is perfect area to buy some Dogecoin. And if you see on the RSI level also, RSI is around at 21, it is oversold area, and Dogecoin is perfect to buy some, that is 2 to 3% only. Don't use more than that, because if we are losing this support guys, that is 0.21 to 0.22 dollar, if we are losing that support, then guys we will be seeing a more dump in the Dogecoin. That can be that can tell us that it was a clear head and shoulder pattern. If I show you, if I show on this recording, that it is perfectly, it was a head and shoulder. And guys, I have already given this chart in the previous on the Telegram. You can search in the Telegram channel, you will be getting the whole chart about the Dogecoin. You can just search on the channel Doge, you will be getting all the things. And I have mainly given many times update on the Dogecoin. So Dogecoin is right now it is very good. 21% has been we have seen a dump. If we calculate the dump from $0.44, that is approximately 50% we have seen a dump. And I think we can see a bounce in the Dogecoin, and we can see this Dogecoin at 0.33 level, which if we see from there, it is approximately 55% pump we can see in the Dogecoin. So just buy only 2 to 3% of Dogecoins, and don't use more than, because it can be a dangerous, and trade this. If we are losing the support, then we can grab more in the depth, but don't. Will tell you the next time, when if we are losing this support, then guys I will update the next support levels in the future, then when you can buy the next step on the Dogecoin. So buy only that portion only that I have told. And guys, now let us go on the main coin that I am seeing is the Litecoin. Litecoin is, guys, very main coin to notice in this uh, market, that is crypto market. It is very uh, it has shown all time high at $412. We have seen all time high in the Litecoin, not in the BTC pair but in the USDT pair. We have seen all time high of the Litecoin around at $412, and from that all time high we have seen a dump towards uh, approximately 119, which is approximately 4x down. And if we calculate from the upper position, from the all time high, it is approximately 70 to 71%. And it is we will be buying some Litecoin, but will be giving the range. If you ask the range, that is from where you can start your DCA, that is the dollar cost averaging on the Litecoin, is mainly the range between the $81. You can start the your bid from 70 to $100. You can start your doing DCA on the Litecoin if you are getting, and you can buy some 2 to 3% as you are buying on the Dogecoin. So you can buy some Litecoin approximately at $120, and we have to start our DCA, the actual DCA on the Litecoin, around from the dip, that is starting from the $100 to up to the $70, because $70 would be a very prime and the prime area to buy and grab the Litecoins. And guys, this after seeing this, don't expect that after buying this coin at this cheap price you will be getting 100% profit or 7x profit or 1000% profit. You have to wait a lot of time, because we need a accumulation area, and it can take approximately to next year also, January month. I am taking this target, that is approximately January month or February month on the 2022. I am taking the target for the Litecoin is approximately at 400 or more than $550, if you ask about the Litecoin, because I think from 70 to $100 it will be ranging many times. Huge accumulation will be there in the Litecoin. If the bear market is confirmed from the Litecoin, it will be giving signals. As one signal we have seen in the Bitcoin data, it has shown the death cross, which is a bear signal. I have many times told you that many users were worried about the dead cross, that the dead cross is mainly for the dump. Many Telegram channels you will see, and many YouTubers you see that the death cross, they are making a fear that the dead cross is actually that Bitcoin will be dumping after we see the death cross. But guys, that cross is not don't work like that. You have if you see on the trading view, if you see on the 2019 or 2018 in the April month, I guess, I have not seen, let me see the previous. We have seen on the March 27 March 2020, we have seen the death cross was a useless death cross. And if we see the previous death cross, it was first was on the 2020, in the 2020 only. And the, let me see in the past, where was the that useless death cross which was there. it was in the year 2015 in the September month that there was a useless death cross, and we have surpasses that useless death cross. And if we see here also, uh, if we see, yeah, this was the two death cross we have seen till now. uh, Mainly many death cross you will be seeing in the time that these death cross can become useless and Bitcoin can bump after seeing the accumulation area on certain support levels. That is, I am telling you now that 30,000, if the Bitcoin is keep on pumping and dumping from 42,000 to $30,000, it is, if it is keep on dumping and pumping and showing the accumulation area, and this this death cross can become a fake death cross, and from that the Bitcoin can show the next rally. So death cross is not mainly a fear thing that we will see a dump in the future. It gives us just a signal that we might see the next coming months or the year we can see a bearish market, but it does not confirm totally confirm the that the Bitcoin will be dumping, or the next another months will be very fearful for us. So don't worry guys, but we have to remain careful. We have to use our DCA, dollar cost averaging, after buying on the all the support levels. We are buying support on the all the support level, mainly on the strong support levels. So we are grabbing the all coins. And guys, many of you are asking about the Matic coin guys is giving a signal. Actually guys, you some coins are giving signals that the market can be bear in the coming months. That can lead to the November month, or the approximately October to November month we can see a bear market. But if we see on the Matic is showing that on the 200 MA line, that sorry, 50-day moving average is showing that the all the asset, sorry, the Matic is moving below the 50-day moving average line. That is indicating the next coming months will be a bearish for the Matic. We can go to $0.54 also, and more than that also 0.32 also, because it is moving in the daily candle. You will be seeing, let me show you uh, what it is showing us actually. I think I have shown you on the main Telegram channel, I think. Let me show you. Where is the yeah, I have given here on the today only at 5:30. I have given that the Matic is showing the long accumulation. That is telling us that the upcoming market will be a bearish, and the profit will be booked in the Matic also, because the Matic has approximately have pumped a lot guys, a lot. Matic has pumped from the if we see from the all time low, the Matic has shown a huge pump we have seen in this bull market. But the the next phase, that is the accumulation phase and the correction phase, we will see in the Matic. This is not a real correction in the Matic. The real correction is coming guys. We will be getting a lot of Matic in the cheap price. I don't know if there is a FUD news in of about Matic or any about the Matic network. So I am not concerned taking into concern. Fundamentals can be created, so I am not taking the fundamentals majorly, mainly focusing on the charts. And guys, don't those who are saying that the charts are not working on any moment, then guys, don't believe them. Every time guys, I told you everything I have told you till now I have not told on the basis of fundamentals. I have all the analysis only based on the technical, guys. I have never focused more about on the fundamentals. All these things are only technicals, what the indicators are showing, what these charts are showing, these candles are showing, what type of candles they are showing, the upcoming movement will be. So if anyone is saying that this chart is not working, then guys, he or she don't know about the upcoming moment of the candles and the charts. So don't just if you are listening to anyone, just do your own analysis before entering into any trade, guys. If they are giving you bullish signal or bearish signal, before entering it, just keep your do your own analysis and use less fund. Don't use more than whole don't use your whole capital to invest into one coin. Always diversify your portfolio so that you can be safe. If any coin is dumped, or it is crashed, or it is hacked due to any news, so you will be saved. So for my if you ask from my uh, uh, my technique is that, yeah, I use 3 to 5% of my portfolio on every signals, on every coin. I don't use more than that. And yes, I use 10 to 15% of my portfolio on Bitcoin, on but that is also on the dip, not on the I sell. I always book my profit when I see the huge resistance for the Bitcoin, and it is when I see on the chart, it is showing a huge resistance and a huge sell wall. So I used to prefer to book my profit. And guys, if you ask from me for the scenario of Ethereum, I knew, guys, I was having some Ethereum, and I knew that Ethereum is facing some major resistance, major heavy resistance, and there was a huge sell wall also around at 4,000 to $4,100. There was a huge area that many people were booking profit, so I prefer to book my profit at that area, and I will be buying Ethereum soon in the dip. And guys, if you ask, let me tell you right now only, then when will be my first bid. If you ask for the Ethereum, the first buy bid would be around at $1,400, guys. 1450 to $1,400 will be a first buy bid for the Ethereum. And if it is dumping to more than it is moving in below $1,000, then guys, I will be buying more Ethereum, because I know the future of Ethereum is very good. I guess, guys, I need to drink some. Yeah, let me now, guys, the second coin is sorry, the third coin is BNB. BNB, guys, is moving around at $304. And guys, our main focus will be on this top coins, and the main coin will be in our list is BNB. That is the our main DCA will be start right now, guys. In this market, this dump, BNB is also not good that much. It has not dumped, but it will be dumping. It is giving a good, very strong signals that it will be dumping, and we will start our DCA, guys, from below from $210. We will be starting our DCA in the BNB, and it can move up to $100 or $90. We can see BNB at that area. We will be grabbing up to $90, or yeah, we will be grabbing the BNB up to that area. So $90 and below from 210 up to $90, we will be starting our DCA. And guys, just keep note on this, all the coins that I am telling you, and keep a record that I have told all the things, all the coins, and you will be getting this proof. You will be having a proof that I have told actually the coins in the depth. You will be getting that yes, I have told on that area, and you have grabbed that area, you have grabbed that opportunity. And for the Litecoin, I have told that these $80 to $100 will be a great buy area for the Litecoin. And BNB, I have told, let's see on the guys, one more important thing on the Bitcoin. Let us see on the monthly chart. Let us see, guys, one more thing very important is on the monthly time frame. I think the lines are not made on the Binance. Let me see the old chart that is on the Bitstamp. Bitstamp is no. Let us see on the Binance. Binance is showing 1 month. Let us see 1 month chart. So guys, you will be seeing, if you open the chart on Binance in the 1 month time frame, you will be seeing the 99 sorry, which is this, yeah, this that is the 25 MA line. You will be seeing a line if you open on the Binance app or on the Binance on the desktop mode. You will be seeing the chart of the Bitcoin. And if you see on the 1 month time frame, you will be seeing the 20 day 25-day moving average, and you will be seeing the most important line, that is 7-day moving average. And it is showing that this monthly candle, that is the June month candle, it is moving below the 7-day moving average. So which is very important. These Bitcoin is moving below the MA line, that is giving a bearish signal also. And it is showing that we have seen the strongest support is around at the previous all time of the Bitcoin, which has shown around at $20,000 or 19,900. The Bitcoin has shown that, but that resistance will become now the strongest support levels, strong support line. And that support level, if you see in the monthly time frame, it is showing that the Bitcoin can come to that level, that is 19,700 to 20,200 will be a strong support area. And if you see the 25-day moving average, it is showing that it will be a strong support for that area. Let me show you guys on the Telegram. You will be getting what I am talking about majorly. Let me circle the let me show you, highlight this line. Let me first highlight the line. 1 second, guys. Let me highlight and increase the line. Yes, and let me highlight that pink line also. See, these two things are telling us that the dip is coming. Actual dip is coming. The actual dip we are seeing in every coin is coming, guys. You have seen in the 10% dump only, all the altcoins have shown a major correction, guys. So this is the major correction is coming up. Let me show you guys the big correction. That is this. See the Binance chart. So the time will come, guys, don't worry about that. Guys, I'm not taking away right now, not taking any questions, just have patience. Don't raise hand right now, we'll be taking afterwards. So see, you can see on the main Telegram channel, that is you can see that I have circled the line and given the support line, that is majorly that is around at $19,000 to $29,000. that is the main area to grab. We can see that is, if you zoom the image also, you will be getting the lines, actually lines, that is the yellow MA line, that is 7-day moving average, and it is showing that the asset, that is asset is Bitcoin, and Bitcoin, that is the asset, is moving below the line, that is 7-day moving average. It is moving below, and the monthly candle, that is the upcoming month, that is July and August, will be more bearish for the Bitcoin, guys. It seems to be so. We will be this, guys, this is telling, whole thing is told, this all things are seen in the monthly time frame. And if you see on the RSI level also, RSI level is also showing that more dip is coming towards, more dip, no more dip is coming. And we can see whether we can see a monthly, the next monthly can be a small, uh, green candle, but the upcoming days, upcoming months are showing that we will be slowly will be dumping towards that level, that is a support level. So these are the all the things we need to take care, and we need to follow our DCA. And if you see the day monthly time, monthly time frame of the Dogecoin, you will be seeing that the monthly candle, that is the May month of the Dogecoin, was a dodgy candle. The dodgy coin is showing dodgy candle. Guys, you are getting that? Dodgy coin is showing dodgy candle on the monthly time frame. And the next month will be, I guess, will be more, we can see a green candle also, and the next candle can be a, uh, can be a red candle or green candle. Guys, many of, I have given the monthly chart on my Twitter handle also. Many, I have seen many comments also, that many were laughing that this can't be happen and it can't be seen. But I have tweeted that on my Telegram, and I have pinned that tweet. And soon that whoever is laughing, and whoever is seeing, having a smile on that, then I think the future we will see that the dump is coming, and we will see their update. I will see their update soon. Maybe they will say that the chart was right or not. So uh, if we see on the, let us see the time frame of, let us see the charts of now BTC dominance and the total market cap, guys. So where is this chart? Let us see, where is my chart of BTC dominance, where the Bitcoin dominance is showing. So Bitcoin dominance is, guys, showing a bounce in the monthly, guys, in the, if we see in the monthly time frame, that is, let me show you what kind of thing, what the monthly time chart is showing in the Bitcoin dominance. Majorly RSI and the candles, guys, just keep seeing these things. We are seeing a bounce in the RSI, that is the major point was around at 30 level, it is showing the bounce, and that is, I am talking about RSI. And the candle is showing bounce, green candle we are seeing. And we can, I have already told many times that we can see 51 to 52 level, we can see the bounce. Let me see, uh, let me show you, yeah, this guys, see Bitcoin dominance chart. you are seeing that I have circled. The main important thing is that I have given on the I have circled that there is a bounce, and Bitcoin dominance is showing the resistance on the upper line, that is 50 to 50 level, and from that area we can see again a dump in the Bitcoin dominance. Guys, this is a very main thing in the Bitcoin dominance. uh, we will be seeing the, if we see in the 4 hour time frame, 4 hour time frame is also showing that, let us see, one more thing. Yeah, in the 4 hour time frame we have breakout from the in the RSI levels. Let me show you the RSI level also. We have breakout from that triangle also, and RSI will be soon up to 87, and from 87 level we can see drop, small drop in the Bitcoin dominance, and from that area some altcoins will see a relief. So that we are following DCA, so DCA will be giving a relief and will be giving a profit, not using the more we'll be grabbing on the support levels. I have told about the Dogecoin only, and majorly about you can grab some Ethereum also, only 2 to 3% or 1%, 1% to 2% you can buy Ethereum around at $1900, because we might see around a small pump around 23 to 24 $100 in the Ethereum. uh, as Bitcoin is showing bounce, you can see, guys, you can continuously seeing on the charts that it is Bitcoin is trying to show the bounce. And guys, the main thing that is, let me show you why it is uh, showing, it is showing that we are moving in the inside a triangle. Let me show you this chart pattern. You are seeing that the current level that I have talked about in the previous voice chat, I guess some have seen but some have missed. How many participants are there right now? 88, guys, this is huge. 88 participants are have joined the voice chat. Nice, guys, nice. One second, guys. So yeah, uh, for the Matic, guys, for the Matic I have already told, guys, where you can buy. Let us see on the total market cap. Now let us see the total market cap and the total market cap of the altcoins. Let us start on the total market cap of the altcoins. Let's start with that first. Let us see where is the support I have given, guys. Actually I have given, if you see the updates on the main Telegram group, if you see the updates, I have told in the previous voice chat that the three support levels was there, that is $821 billion, and the next was around at 719 to 721 $1 billion was their support. And Bitcoin and the all the altcoins market cap has shown the second support. It is actually touching at the support, second support, and the third was around at 1600 1620 or 1618 $1 billion. These were the three support levels, were important support level. First two support level has been broken, and now the Bitcoin is trying to reach around at the second support level, that is at 19 to 721 it is trying to move, but the next strong support is around at 621. If that support is also lost, then guys we will be moving around at 493 billion dollars will be the next support level. That is the previous I guess the previous all time high uh, support levels, and I think it will be that previous all time high support level will be touch the when Bitcoin will be touching the previous all time high, uh, that is on the 2017, I guess. Yeah, 2017, the previous all time high if the Bitcoin is touching. If we see the from the that gap, it is approximately 30%. So guys, 30% is very huge for the altcoins if that pump if dump is coming majorly. 50 to 60% or 65% correction we can see in the altcoins. BNB can go to that the levels I have told in the in the beginning of the voice chat. I have already told uh, that the alt if altcoins market is reaching around at 490 billion dollars. So support level is right now the total market cap of the altcoins is touching around that support level, the second support level. It is moving around that area only, and I think the third support level, that is 620 billion dollars, will be touching. I have strong faith on the total market cap of the altcoins. I have strong faith that it will be dumping. Um, it will be dumping because RSI is also showing some downward move. It is actually on the support also 48, and if it is moving downwards, then we can see the next support on the RSI is around at 37. So at 37 we will be seeing more dump. And if we see, let us see on the total market cap of the altcoins. So total market cap, the strongest support that we were talking now about the Bitcoin, that previous all time high, that is $19,000. If in that chart, if we see on the total market cap of the whole the market, it is showing that previous all time high, which has shown at 746 billion dollars. It can touch that support level also, guys. That is the main support level. Let me show you that also. Total market cap of the cryptocurrency only, with including Bitcoin. Total market cap of altcoins. See guys, you can see the majorly support levels, that is 754 to 744 is the major strong. And guys, if we see majorly right now, if we see the strongest support is the strongest support the Bitcoin is right now only sorry, the total market cap is right now moving around the strongest support. And guys, we are not right now, the death cross is not seen in the total market cap. There is a gap of, let me see the gap, which is approximately 24% is there is a gap. Guys, you can see that. Let me show you that gap also. You will be getting that that total market cap of the cryptocurrency is about to show death cross, guys. Let me show you guys that also, so that you have a clear image of the total market cap including Bitcoin. See guys, this is showing that the upcoming days will be, we will seeing a death cross in the total market cap and losing this support, which is around at 1.32 trillion. I have told that this would be the second support levels. I have told the previous was around at 1.44 trillion. I have told the first support was that, but it has lost that support, and the second support, it is moving around the second support, that is at 1.3 trillion. And the major strong support is around at 1.133 trillion. So this is the third support for the total market cap, and the strongest support that we are talking is the 740 to 751 billion dollars, because that is approximately half we will lose, that is 50% more correction in the total market cap. If we are losing the 50% value in the total market cap, that means that Bitcoin will be losing 30 to 35, and the altcoins, that is the top altcoins, will be losing. Top altcoins, top big cap coins, big market cap coins will be losing approximately 50 to 60% value. And the if we talk about for the mid cap coins, they can lose approximately 200 to 100 to 200 more dump we can see. So this is the major thing we can see in the upcoming, when the total market is about to crash 50% more. So mid cap will be a dangerous in the upcoming days, but DCA would be a wise thing, because when we have a good average in the mid cap coins also, then guys, after we know that the after seeing a huge crash, with these coins will be pumping, so our average will be, we will be more than we will be in the profit 2x to 3x profit in the future. So averaging will be a very wise. And if anyone is willing to enter into crypto, sorry, into the dip, for that guys, you can buy 2 to 3% only, and hold your horses, and just keep your USDT in your keep your USDT safe in your wallet. Don't waste, and don't invest into any crypto that you regret later that I have got stuck. Invest only 2 to 3% only in this dip also, because real dip is about to come, and this is not the real dip. Real dip will be coming when the total market cap will be losing the support levels. And guys, one more last thing, that is KSM. I know the favorite coin of my moderator. He is a big fan of KSM. So for him and for the all the user, we can start our DCA in KSM around at $195, guys. We can start our DCA and can go up to $89. So 195 we will be starting our DCA up to $89. So start your you can start. I think KSM is about to reach at that level, and I have told, actually, if you moderator will be telling you that I have told the KSM signal only around that when the KSM was pumping, and I have told that we will be getting a chance to buy the KSM. Hope Future Project is listening.
I'm listening
Yeah.
very well, and I'm very glad that we are getting there.
Yeah, so that
And
we
guys, it is all this information which is being shared. It is not to scare you or anything, but this is just to make sure that you, again, what has been the motive so far is that you keep your money safe and you don't lose out on anything. So please remember that. Don't be scared,
yeah.
but be prepared.
So we have to prepare for our actual depth, and we have to show we have to keep our portfolio into safe hand, and don't have to give to the this whales also that buying our. So guys, just keep your money safe. I have tried approximately from May month only. I have tried a lot. That save. I have told many users that save your keep your money safe and sell your book your profit and save your capital. Hope someone have listened and some are have listened and have given that I have saved my money lot. And guys, my motto is to keep you safe, and will giving you the real tip that is coming soon. We will be buying, so don't be in hurry that we are losing, we are not getting the tips, so don't be in hurry. Actually many were in the panic when we have seen a bounce from the 19 May, when the Bitcoin has crashed from 19 May. Many the Bitcoin has shown the bounce, and the many coins have shown 50% to 60% pump, and many person were crying that we have missed the tip. So we will be getting the real tip guys soon, so don't get into the FOMO that if we are seeing a 10% or 25% or 20% pump. Yeah, we are seeing that all the in the smaller time frame all the things are oversold, but we will be seeing a smaller pump. But the real, you have to wait for the real dip. Don't have to put all the money right now. So just keep your money safe uh, in your wallet. Say keep your USDT safe, or if anyone has not bought the USDT, just keep your money safe in your bank right now. You will be getting the dip soon, and you can buy the dip soon. So guys, hope you have got all the information, all the info about all the things.
I've got all of it in a very detailed way today. So, the,
I think I have speak non-stop approximately how much time? That is 51 minutes in English also. In English. I think Denmark English is not that much strong. My English is not strong. Denmark English will be very good English, I think. And
no, you have done very well.
so
So I've got, I'll
yeah.
just quickly give it. So we got Dodge, we got LTC, BTC, then we got BTC dominance, market, alt caps, total market cap actually as well, Matic, ETH, BNB, and KSM.
So we have covered couple of things, right?
Yeah.
Lot of things, I think.
Yeah.
And KSM, your favorite coin will be we will be getting around at 190 195. We are soon reaching, so you will
I've
be
just
getting.
added my own comment in the updates.
Okay. I think
Not wishful thinking.
you will be. I think you will be changing your profile from Future Project to that is KSM soon
KSM.
195. Or I think you will be updating KSM to 95. You are removing one from the beginning, only 95. Soon 95,
Yep.
and we will be grabbing. And those who are panicking and selling the KSM, we will be buying from them.
Absolutely.
So
So,
someone is asking about ICP in group.
ICP, I
Yeah.
think ICP is. I have told Rohan bhai. I think I have told uh, in the previous chart that if we are breaking from $44, then we will be seeing ICP more down, and we have seen $39 right now. And I think let me see the more. I think the next buy bid will be I think the next that the previous support was not the that too much. I think the next support is $28. We can grab the ICP if anyone wants to, but I think we need to wait for the ICP to, let's see where till when it is dipping. We are seeing from, I guess, $25, $2,500 or $600 the actual dip, actual crash. 597 the actual crash was around at 2800 when the listing price was around at $2,800, but we will be seeing from $600, 598. So 598 will be the strong. We have seen this from dump from the $600, and it is keep on dumping $38, and we will be waiting for the ICP. Let us watch, keep on watching the where till when this dip is over. We might see 25, or we might see $15, or we might see $10 also. So just keep, I just for now just watch the ICP, don't enter, because I have also got loss in the ICP. I was pretty confident for the ICP because it was showing some bullish diversion, but I think the team is the behind the team is selling their tokens, and the big players whose tokens have been unlocked, they are selling their tokens. But once these tokens are sold in the market, and I think one person have told that the someone was saying that the ICP circulations, the team has a great circulation supply of the ICP, so that's why the team is selling, so that they become a transparent to uh, all the ICP holders, so that they are not holding that much ICP. I think the team is selling slowly, so that's why it is the ICP is coming that much dip.